Welcome to our guide on how to add lists to your timeline on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. First, go to your profile icon menu located on the Twitter website. Next, click or tap on Lists from the menu options. You will be presented with lists you've created as well as other people's lists that you follow. To add a list to your timeline, simply tap the pin icon next to the list you want to appear on your timeline. It will then be displayed to the right of your For You and following timelines. By following these steps, you can easily customize your Twitter timeline by adding lists that interest you and help you stay updated on specific topics or accounts. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to add lists to your timeline on Twitter using your PC. Explore these steps to enhance your Twitter experience and curate a timeline that reflects your interests and preferences.